A light magnitude 3.3 earthquake hit 22 kilometers, 13 miles, away from Canas, Provincia de Guanacaste, Costa Rica, in the afternoon of Tuesday, May 20, 2025 at 4:39 p.m. local time, GMT-6. The quake had a very shallow depth of 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 42 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.